Hello guys. So in this video we are going to see that the best way to make money on the internet is basically by using some sort of advertisement policies. So here, as we can see, one of the ways to make money is Wix.com. So you just need to search Wix.com, and if you do that you will get to the website straight away like this. And I'll just open another tab to show you how it works. So if you just type in make money with Wix.com, so there is it. So you can actually open this page, which is sponsored by Wix.com. It's known as the affiliates page, and as you can see, it's showing that make money with Wix, promote the world's leading web publishing platform. I have done it myself, so that would be included here. So I'm just guiding you how to do that. So affiliate marketing is something which is not based on ads revenue, it's rather based on selling revenue. But the good part is you can also connect and monetize your website using ads. So this ad platform revenues can come from several platforms, like it can come from probably things like Google AdSense, then there is media.net, then there are so many ad platforms you can make money with. So let me just scroll it over a bit so that you can see what's going on. So $100 for every conversion. It means that make money fast. Our competitive payouts of $100 per sale are among the highest in the industry, and we have a variety of reliable payment options for you to choose from. Also, it says that unlimited referrals. The sky is the limit. Drive as much traffic as you can and get paid for every premium sale you refer, subject to our terms and conditions, which you can read by clicking on the link. And obviously, make sales is, as you can see in the diagram, it's showing you there is a dashboard, there is an account, there's offers, and there's a tools. And they provide high-tech tools to make sure that you never get behind in the marketing area, and it's very competitive, obviously. So you can use this intuitive dashboard, as they speak of it, to become an affiliate and sell the products you want to sell on resale on your website rather, and make money from it. Okay, let's go to the part. How much pricing does it take? So Wix gives you hundreds of templates, obviously. So this is the basic pack where you have a simple website. You're not really looking for an e-commerce website, rather a simple website. You have to connect your domain, make a combo, and do unlimited stuff. So I think I have gone myself with the combo pack, but although it says that unlimited is the better one, as it is only 185 rupees per month, and it also gets rid of the Wix ads. So this Wix ads are something that will pop up everywhere and there, and you need to get rid of them to make the user experience a bit more reliable. Then you have the storage space, which is 10 GB, sufficiently enough right now. Otherwise you can use some other FTP clients to make sure that you have your storage as much as you need. And finally, the VIP pack, you get a custom domain, you get a domain for 1 year. Obviously Wix ads are not included. Free SSL certificate, bandwidth is unlimited, storage space is 35 GB, video hours is 5 hours, site booster app, visitor analytics app, and stuff. So you see that there are a lot of features here which we can use. So this is basically the Wix.com pack for making websites. So I really hope you enjoyed it, and for further things we can actually make sure that we go to Wix and get our website monetized with this cheap plans like Connect, Domain, and Combo, and we can make money very easily.